Let's face it, big purchases can bring big stress. Whether it's a vacation, a car, a wedding, or even a home, spending a large chunk of money can feel overwhelming. Now imagine doing it with another person, your partner. That can either double the anxiety or double the teamwork. So how do couples plan for big expenses without fighting, overspending, or draining their savings? Let's break it down step by step. Whether you've been dating for 2 years or married for 20, these tips will help you budget smarter, together. Step 1. Get on the same financial page. Before you even talk about the what, like a trip to Bali or buying a house, talk about the how. Do you both know how much money you each make? What your debts look like? Your monthly expenses? It's surprising how many couples avoid this conversation, but it's crucial. Sit down together. Lay everything out. How much comes in, how much goes out, and what's left over. Being honest here builds trust. And if you're planning to spend big together, trust is your strongest asset. Step 2. Set a common goal. Next, talk about what you're planning to buy. Be clear and specific. Let's say you both want to buy a car. Great. But not just a car. Talk about what kind, new or used. SUV or sedan. What's the price range? Setting a shared vision avoids future disagreements. If one person is thinking $10,000 and the other is thinking $40,000, you've got a problem waiting to happen. Write your goal down and put a number next to it. That's your target. Step 3. Create a dedicated savings plan. Now that you have your target, create a savings plan together. Let's say your goal is to save $8,000 in 10 months. That means $800 a month or $400 each if you're splitting it evenly. Set up a separate savings account just for that goal. Nickname it something fun like Italy 2025 or Dream SUV Fund. Every time you contribute, you'll feel motivated. And you'll be less tempted to spend the money elsewhere. Bonus tip: automate your contributions. Treat your savings like a bill you pay to your future selves. Step 4. Use a budget that works for both of you. Not every budgeting method works for every couple. Some like the 50/30/20 rule, where 50% of income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings. Others use the zero-based budget, where every dollar has a job. Whatever you pick, make sure both of you are comfortable with it. And don't forget to include a line in your budget specifically for your big purchase savings goal. If one person is super frugal and the other is a spender, find middle ground. Budgeting isn't about control. It's about compromise. Step 5. Track spending together. Here's where a lot of couples stumble. One person handles the money while the other is in the dark. Not good. Even if only one of you is the numbers person, make time once a week or once a month to sit down together and look at your spending. Use a free app like Mint, Inab, or even a simple spreadsheet. Track your income, expenses, and progress toward your big goal. Celebrate little milestones like hitting 25%, 50%, and 75% of your savings target. These small wins keep you both excited. Step 6. Expect the unexpected. Big purchases almost always come with hidden costs. Let's say you're buying a car. Don't forget about insurance, registration, maintenance, and gas. Planning a wedding? Budget for surprises. They'll happen. Build in a buffer, maybe 10 to 15% extra, so you're not caught off guard. And if something derails your savings one month, like an emergency expense, don't panic. Just adjust and keep going. Step 7. Communicate often and kindly. Here's the truth. Money is emotional. Saving for big things as a couple is exciting, but also stressful. So be patient with each other. Check in regularly. How do you feel about our progress? Are we still aligned on our goal? If one of you is falling behind on contributions, talk about it openly. Don't blame. Don't shame. Work as a team to solve the problem. Money challenges don't break relationships. Silence does. Step 8. Celebrate together, even before the purchase. You don't have to wait until you hit the full goal to celebrate. Reward yourself along the way. Reach the halfway mark. Have a fun but budget-friendly date night. Hit your monthly savings target. Toast with your favorite coffee. Celebrating the journey keeps motivation high and reminds you that working together brings results. Closing text slide. Plan smart, spend smart together. Remember, budgeting as a couple doesn't have to be complicated or boring. When you're united, every financial goal feels more possible. So whether you're saving for a new car, a dream vacation, or your first home, start with communication, plan with purpose, and save like a team. You've got this together.